Okay, everyone, do not ever tamper with fire alarms in my house for any reason. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. If my friends from school have fire alarms in their houses, don't go tampering with them. Don't go to Gregorian's house and tamper with his fire alarms. Don't go to Dale's house and tamper with his fire alarms. If Funny Guy has fire alarms in his house, don't go tampering with them. If my neighbors have fire alarms in their houses, don't go tampering with them. You don't ever tamper with fire alarms in other people's houses, and you especially don't ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home. Fire alarms should never ever be messed with outside of your own house, especially in a public building. Or else you will end up like Mikey. So, this is why these are not to be messed with outside of your own house for any reason. Goodbye.